Hi. This is your guider. Today I am going to give some tips and tricks to make money online. Make money online. There are a number of ways to make money online. The most common method is through freelance work, where you can find jobs on sites like Upwork and Fiverr. Websites like Freelancer also offer more general contracting opportunities for individuals or businesses. Other ways to make money include selling products or services on sites like Etsy, Amazon Handmade, and eBay, investing in stocks and other securities, renting out a room in your home on Airbnb, promoting your own videos on YouTube as an influencer, or partnering with brands through platforms like FameBit, taking surveys from companies looking for feedback from their customers, for example, Macy's, starting your own blog or website that you monetize with Google AdSense ads, affiliate marketing links, sponsored posts from advertisers, and so forth, reselling items bought at thrift stores, for example, clothes, etc. Subscribe for more this type of tips and tricks.